Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today with the help of the simulation we will understand how we can create a PLC and HMI program. So we have already created the program, we will only discuss. So we will make this video for a shorter length. Okay, so this is one on push button and this is the off push button. When we will press this push button, so it will turn on a motor and this status indicator will be changed. Okay, and for this set time, so this motor will be on. Okay, for the preset time which we will enter in this set time, so it will turn on the motor for that particular time, and this is the section for the selection of the program. So this is the HMI part. So we have created this, and for this ladder program, PLC program, so we have taken this M1 and we have uh, taken this uh, for it D, we have taken D1, and the value of the D1 we will take from this input. Okay, this program number. Okay, and if value of the D0, so D0 is this uh, program selection input. So when the program number will be 1, so preset time will be K5. It is the 0.5 second. And when you will select the second program, that means when you will enter 2 in this program number, so uh, it will uh, it will move 10 to this particular field. Okay, when you will select the third program, it will turn this set time to the 15. Okay, and so on. So we have created 5 different programs, and now we can do the simulation. For we need to simulate the GXWorks3 first. Wait for simulation to write the program, and it is writing, and we are now into the simulation and PLC is running. We will just minimize it and we will simulate the HMI program also. So it is taking a bit time. We will wait for some time. Okay, and GOT is now starting. Okay, so this is the uh, on push button, off push button. This is motor status indicator and this is motor set time. Okay, so currently it is 0 because we haven't selected any program. So we will go and we will select the program number 1. Okay, so as you can see, this motor set time, it has taken the 5. Okay, so it is 0.5 second. It is the half second. Okay, and when I will press this on, so this motor status indicator, this will turn on for a only for the half second. Okay, I have turned it on, and you can observe here. So in the 0.5 second, it has turned it off. Okay, so now I will turn this off and I will select the program number second. Okay, and you can see this set time, it has taken the 10. Okay, now I will turn this again on, and this time you can observe it remain on for a 1 second. Okay, I will turn this off and I will take it as 3, and now I will turn this on, and for the 1.5 second it is now on, and now it is off. Okay, again I will go for 4 and it has taken the 25. Okay, turn it on and now it is off in 2.5 second. Okay, last one we have created for a 3 second. It has taken the 30, and now I will turn this on, and for 3 second will remain on, and now it is off. Okay, okay, and if we will do with the help of the PLC program if we want to observe. Okay, so we will observe here. Okay, uh, let me just more minimize it if it is possible to minimize. Okay, I will take both of the windows. Okay, we'll just take this one here and this one here. We'll try to show it. Okay, so when I will just enter the program number one, okay, and I have pressed the enter. So what it has done, it took the program number one from here. Okay, it has taken one from here. Okay, when this value of the d1 is equal to 1, so it is moving this 5 value to d1. Okay, it is actually d0. Okay, d0. So this one is d0. Now I will change it to 4. Okay, so now you can see when d0 is equals to 4, d0 is equals to 4. Okay, it is moving this k 25 to d1. So this is the d1. Okay, when I am pressing this push button on, okay, when I am pressing this push button on, it is just turning this on. This counter is running, and after uh, 25 uh, 25, so we have taken the NC of this, and it is turning this y1 off. Okay, when I will just change this 3. Okay, this time it has moved this k15 to d1, so that's why it is 15. Okay, I hope you understood all the concept behind it, and you can also try by yourself. Okay, if you are having any difficulty to install this application, so that you can mail me, and I will help for installation of the software. Thank you. Thank you for watching.